Welcome to You Ask, We Answer, where our team breaks down your real questions about indoor air quality in a way that's clear, practical, and honest. Let's get started.
Hi, Dan Dearden, Certified Air Specialist with NovusAer, here to talk to you about a question that we had about, can I install the NovusAer system myself, or do I have to have a certified contractor install it? Well, the answer to the first question is, the short answer is no. Unless you have been or are an experienced heating and air conditioning installation technician, you really wouldn't have the skills or the tools needed in order to do this. The NovusAer system is not a plug-and-play device, so what we're saying is that every heating and air conditioning system is different. None of them are the same, which means that every installation of a NovusAer is going to be unique. You have to be able to you have to be able to evaluate the duct system to determine the airflow requirements. You then would need to take that information to select the right size of NovusAer system. Then the NovusAer is actually 48 inches tall. Your average furnace is only about 36 inches tall. So it's taller than the furnace, and the furnace is connected by many parts and pieces, so you may have to move a gas line or an electrical line or controls or venting connections, drain lines, refrigerant lines. There are many skilled tasks involved in moving those sorts of connections to the furnace. And so because of this complexity of the installation of a NovusAer, currently we only sell NovusAer units to licensed HVAC contractors. So the answer is pretty much no, unless you are an HVAC contractor already. Now, do you have to use a NovusAer certified contractor? No, you can, if you have your own contractor that you're aware of, you're welcome to use them as long as they're a licensed HVAC contractor. They should have the skills and the tools necessary to install the NovusAer. That being said, we highly recommend you do use one of our trained dealers because they're already experienced and they're equipped to deal with the uncertainties that are involved in and the complications that can come about with installing a NovusAer system. Now, if you do already have a HVAC contractor that you know and love, we'd be happy to train them so that they have the necessary tools and experience so that they can install the system for you. You can find our list of trained NovusAer installation dealers on our website under the tab Dealers. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment box below, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching You Ask, We Answer. For more tips and resources, visit us at essentialairproducts.com. Clean air starts here.